I want to show y'all how to loop inside of MPC3. Right here I have this 808, so I'm going to show y'all how to loop it to make it go on forever. First thing you want to do is take the loop block off. Right, the loop block is going to enable you to hit the pad and still have the beginning of your sample play, then it's going to loop at a certain point. Alright, so I'm going to find my loop point. You're going to want to use pad number 11. Audition your loop. We're going to use the alternating loops. I could use this here, which is just the reverse. I don't like that. Alternating loop is going to be smoother. With my crossfades here, I'm kind of satisfied with that loop. Alright, so let's go here to the main page. Let's audition. And sometimes you're going to need to use zero snap. That's going to help you avoid pops. So we're going to go here into the program. Okay, we got a pop at the end of that. I'm going to go here to tail length. I'm going to put that on 100. So that got rid of the pop. I want to show you a new feature that's in MPC3 called repeats. Now this is the number of times it's going to loop. So we go here, we press 1, it's going to loop 1 time. Now looping 2 times. So that's how you get the length of it to be longer. Now let's go to 16 levels here. Here we go. Go to CycleKit.com. Buy my kits. I make some of the best kits in the world, without a doubt. No hype, no cap, no lies. Take care of yourself. I love y'all. Peace.